Make Wyatt laugh again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Where's she?
What's this? What's this?
What is your brother doing, huh? What is your brother doing?
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Oh, you like when he falls down. I think that's what he's laughing at, when you fall down. He likes it when you fall down.
Well, what's this, Papa?
Okay. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? You like it when your brother falls down? Here, let's show what your brother's doing. He is throwing his sheep in the air, and then he's falling down, right? Look, there it is. What's your brother doing? You're going to fall down. Okay, say goodbye.